Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to get My AI on Snapchat. So in order to get My AI, first you must own the Snapchat application. I already have one, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Snapchat application. So once you tap on your application, now you'll have to swipe right, and once you swipe right, you'll get to this page where you can see My AI at the top of the chat. Now if you don't see My AI, you'll have to go back to your home page, and once you go to your home page, you'll have to go and tap on your App Store if you're an iOS user and on Play Store if you are an Android user. So once you reach here, you'll have to go and tap on the search icon at the bottom right and type Snapchat. So once you tap Snapchat, there you can see the option which says update. You'll have to go and tap on update. So once you tap on update, Snapchat will update itself and it will give access to My AI. So you'll have to wait till it gets updated. So once it gets updated, you'll have to go and tap on open option. It will take you directly to the Snapchat application, and again you'll have to go and swipe right. And once you swipe right, you can see My AI at the top. So you can go and interact with My AI. You can customize your Bitmoji, change the name of AI, and even ask questions about anything to AI. So AI is all yours. So that is how you get access to My AI. So that is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.